Hi, my name is Arvin Haddad with Compass Real Estate. Today we're at 2022 North Kenmore Avenue in sunny Los Feliz. The house is the perfect mix of rock and roll and storybook aesthetics with glimpses of British nostalgia. With 2,500 square feet of living space, it feels like you're staying at a bed and breakfast in the English countryside without ever getting on a plane. So let's not waste any time. I want to welcome you to the Kenmore Arms. As you walk in, you notice floor-to-ceiling flowering quince wallpaper by Clarence House that stretches all the way up the staircase. This is accompanied by a British gallery wall and a traditional runner on the stairs held down with brass hardware. Just to the right of the entryway, you're invited into a formal step-down living room. Here you notice built-in bookcases, inviting fireplace, tall ceilings, bay windows. Isn't this a great space to invite your rock star friends? The next stop is the kitchen, which is super cozy. With gorgeous custom cabinetry, unpolished honed granite, an English August stove, and an intimate breakfast nook. This room is perfect for a cup of tea. Next, we have the dining room, which is just past the faux leather swinging door. This relaxing space is ideal for hosting candlelit dinner parties with overflowing glasses of wine. Surrounding the table is custom wallpaper by London-based designer Deborah Bonus, accented by a craftsman hanging chandelier, painted paneling, and a horseshoe bench to finish the room. Let's not forget about the French doors that open to a magical space, taking you from the busy streets to a secluded oasis. The backyard is surrounded by hedges, providing complete privacy from the world beyond. You also have access to a heated pool with a built-in spa, an eating area to dine al fresco, and a cabana complete with market lights for year-round entertainment. But we are not done yet. If there is one place in this house that can't be missed, it's the upstairs living quarters. At the top of the stairs, we start with the master bedroom, which is complete with an intimate seating area, wood floors throughout, and a brick fireplace. And lastly, one of my favorite getaways is the creative lounge. In this room, the energy is set by the large glass doors that let in fresh air and natural light. Its space is open, yet intimate for those times that you need to concentrate and get acquainted with your inspired self. Opposite to the windows is an expansive bookshelf. Whether you choose to fill the wall with good reads or your favorite memories, this environment can be customized to fit any artist's needs. This house offers the best of both worlds. The California weather with the refinement of a soulful English manor. If you're looking to break away from a stereotypical spec house, or maybe perhaps you're missing your English roots, then this house was meant for you. Thank you so much for coming to this open house, and I will see you at the next property.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?